Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a newcomer to my channel. So this will be the first knife presented from the German knife company Otter. And the knife shown in this video will be the Otter Weaver's knife, which is the number 180 in carbon blade and in black plastic rubber handle. So just quickly, the company was founded around 1840 at the Königsmühle in Solingen, by two brothers, the Burns brothers, and the other knives are made until this day in Solingen, Germany, using traditional methods. So they are handcrafted, sharpened and finished, and it is a product made in Germany, of course. The inspiration of the company is of course the Otter. So it comes in a really basic but nice box. Inside we have I would say something like wax paper to protect the knife, because this is a carbon steel blade. They also give you a ballistol cloth so that you can wipe down and protect your carbon blade if you don't want to patina to develop. And they also give you a nice pamphlet in English and in German, so how to care for your knife. Nice logo. Okay, so nothing else is on the box or in the box. So let's see the knife itself. So you can purchase this in two variants, so with this dark black plastic rubber and in a nice wood grain scales. It has a really tough opening. Here's the half stop. You have markings, Germany Solingen, and one star and some kind of logo there. The Otter logo here, and the other side of the blade is sterile. It's overall really nicely finished. You have just a slight gap there. So like you can see here, it is a slip joint knife, so no locking mechanism is built inside. So if you live in a state or in a country where locking knives are prohibited, these traditional slip joints is something you will prefer to carry. It has a satin finish, nice sheep's foot blade. The handle is made out of plastic and rubber, and you can also get it in wood. The blade is made out of C75 High carbon, and we have an overall length of 16 centimeters or 6.3 inches. The blade is 7.5 or 3 inches. The handle is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The blade thickness is 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches, and the weight is 61 grams or 2.1 ounces. Price wise, you are looking for around 50 euros, because this is a German made product. I will try to put all the informations down below, of course, and also provide you a link if you like to check out the knife. Now let's see a little bit of size comparisons. So okay, let's start with some traditional knives. So here's the case. Tribal lock in a navy blue jigged bone. It is a case toothpick. And if you like, see some more say more EDC oriented. So this is a Spyderco Delica 4. I also have here a Endura. Small Griptilian from Benchmade. These are all larger knives. The Shuffle 2 from Kershaw. K-Bar Dozier. And the 111 from Tucson Knives. It has a similar blade. Also, I would say this is a modernized iteration of this classic pattern. Okay, so if you are buying this knife, just keep in mind that this model has the carbon high carbon blade. On the box stands also Sapelli, so I don't know if this is information about maybe steel, or maybe Sapelli is some kind of wood. Probably this is a wood, but they do not have any checkbox for different steels, so probably these are made only in carbon blade, and these are the scale options. Anyway, if you have any questions, like always, keep the comments down below. This was the Otter Weaver's folding knife, and like always, have a nice day. Bye.